Hello, this is Nick Stauber, and today I'm going to be giving you my internet marketing plan pitch for my company, GolfNow.com. First, let's talk about the executive summary of this plan. GolfNow.com is today's industry leader in online tee time reservations at golf courses worldwide. In this internet marketing plan, we will review over strategic plans and focus for our goals and strategies for this upcoming year. This plan will examine our revenue models, target markets, brand strategy, competition, and legal analysis. Our strategies and tactics will focus on our customer roles and personas, mobile and social media, the architecture of the GolfNow website, and its conversion goals. We will also examine plans for SEO, PPC, email, affiliate, and offline marketing. Finally, we will examine the costs, projected returns, and the budget that we plan on working with to achieve this overall plan. First, I'd like to start by examining our brand strategy. The brand components, which is the name, the logo, the colors, and the tagline for GolfNow.com, which is all featured in the slide here next to it, really kind of shows the cleanness and the effectiveness of the company. Next, the brand messaging or the mission statement for the company is, and this is the mission statement that I've composed for this. Our goal is to provide value to our customers and conveniently allow them to access as many tee times at as many golf courses as possible via our online booking website. We want to revive and grow the game of golf and continue to bring awareness of it to the younger generations by providing our customers with all the tools and information necessary to every aspect of golf. We believe that we can diversify the game and make it an enjoyable experience for everyone. The last part of our branding strategy is our promotion plan, which focuses on two main areas that I believe that GolfNow can improve on their brand. Number one, creating a branded GolfNow blog. I really believe this could kind of get the word out and really serve as a media platform for golfers. And that kind of ties into my next point, which is creating a branded logo that connects both GolfNow and the Golf Channel. Not a lot of people are aware that GolfNow is owned and operated by the Golf Channel, which is the Golf Channel is actually the #1 media platform for golf. And I believe if golfers were more aware of that connection, that would actually grow our brand even more. Next, I'd like to focus on our target market. So our targeted customer is typically a male that's between 24 to 59 years old, typically middle class, golfs regularly or monthly, and shops online or is familiar with browsing the internet for goods and services. The buyer persona of these golfers, we have a couple different examples. The competitive example is business effective, golfs with clients after business meetings, price is not a concern, but time is sensitive. The spontaneous example is a recent college grad, his work schedule is inconsistent, and so is his golf schedule, wants to be able to play whenever they want and wherever they want. The humanistic example is a middle-class family man that golfs with his buddies, and it's his way to escape his day-to-day stresses and unwind on the golf course. The appreciation of the experience is the most important part for this golfer. And finally, the last example is the methodical example. which would be like a retiree, where golf is a part of his weekly schedule and is always looking for a good deal. All right, and one thing GolfNow should never ever forget about is its competition. Here is the three main competitors of GolfNow. First one being EZ-Links, which was the lowest scoring competitor, but they had a great design and usability score for their website. Content, other features, and SEO were very low and dragged their score down, but I found it really odd that they only have 30 pages indexed on Google and chose to use save up to 50% off as one of their main keywords. It was used in both their title description tag, or I'm sorry, in their title and their description tag. I think a broad and generalized long tail keyword can really dilute the search rankings that they were looking for. Our next competitor is Golf18 Network, which is probably the strongest competitor of the three. Golf18's choice keywords were very strong, and they scored very well in content, other features, performance, and SEO categories. It did, however, score pretty low in design and usability, which GolfNow scored very well in. This is a very important category as customers will tend to go with the websites that are user friendly and have a better overall appearance. The last competitor is Golf Hub, which is ranked slightly in the middle of EZ-Links and Golf18. Their score was decent in every category except for content and SEO. Their title tag was very weak and only contained one of their long tail keywords. They also lacked image tags throughout their whole site. So knowing these characteristics of our competition will ultimately be key in making sure that we stay on top of our competition. All right, so for mobile and social media, I thought that these two channels would be a very strong and worth pursuing for GolfNow. For social media, my first strategy would be to find key influencers within the golfing community using social media tools like Klout, Tracker, or Listorious. The second strategy is using special promotions on social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter, and Foursquare. And my final social media strategy is to create an online golfer community using blogs and forums. If we can be viewed as not just a distributor of tee times, but also as a golfing community network, I think that would really grow our business in the long run. For mobile, there were two strategies that I did want to focus on. Number one, using a quick mobile check-in using SMS. So basically using your mobile phone to check in once you're at the golf course. Instead of having to go into the golf shop and pay and check in, having a way of doing that through your mobile phone, I think would be a great way to attract golfers. Second strategy would be doing mobile payments also via NFC. This would be a great way to bypass the pro shop completely and just pretty much allow golfers to not only check in but pay for their tee times once they arrive and just head straight onto the golf course. For online campaigns, I chose to focus primarily on SEO and PPC. Three strategies that I think would really benefit GolfNow would be to optimize the website for local areas. To do so, we would need to include city and state within the title tag, the heading 1 tag, the content, the image tags, and the URL for each landing page for each local area. Second strategy would also be to use PPC campaigns to target highly trafficked keywords that GolfNow does not currently rank very high on. GolfNow has a tendency to focus primarily on organic search keywords, and I really think that PPC would be a great way to kind of fill in the gaps. Finally, the last strategy would be using a combination of both organic and paid search, which will ultimately increase our traffic overall and, in the end, our conversion rate. All right, so for goals and analytics, the 3 goals that I wanted to focus on were increase the number of unique page views from Yahoo, Bing, and AOL to GolfNow by 20% within 3 months. Number 2, reduce the bounce rate on GolfNow by 25% in 1 month. And number 3, increase GolfNow's conversion rate by 5% in 1 month. Through testing and optimization process, basically A/B testing will be done on multiple ads to determine the effective and most specific to targeted markets or audiences. And our results will be measured in metrics, which will be the data that's pulled and evaluated using Google Analytics and other web analytics tools. Success for these online ads will be determined by click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per conversion. So in conclusion, in order for GolfNow to continue to grow as a company, we need to continue to show value to the golfers who book their tee times via our site. We need to continue to build our online brand and provide value in our services to the golf courses that partner with us. In order to attract initial golfers and golf courses to do business with us, we need to test and try out multiple forms of call to actions that will attract our target market customers. We cannot forget to always keep an eye on our competitors and mimic the successes that they might have. By expanding more campaigns via mobile, social media, SEO, and PPC, we will broaden our horizons and attract more online visitors, all while pursuing our goals and analyzing our successes and failures based on the analytics of these campaigns. If we stick to this plan, we will succeed. Thank you for listening. This is Nick Stauber signing out.